Hi, let's dish. This week I've been seeing a lot of professors and trainers and speakers take presentations that they usually do in person and bring them to an online environment. And some are doing a great job, and others not so much. So let me talk about 4 factors that I've seen this week that can make a presentation great. Number 1 is I love it when presenters break it up. And this means that they follow John Medina's 10-minute rule, that they do something emotionally relevant every 10 minutes to keep their audiences engaged. And one thing that I really like are the use of Zoom's breakout rooms. This means that we get a chance to go away from the main section and go into a room so students can meet together, have discussions, have reflections, do exercises, and then go back to the main presentation. Number 2 factor that I don't love to see is personal, private, and confidential information. I've seen some things that I shouldn't have been seeing this week, and that's because somebody will be doing a screenshot video and their email might be open or some confidential documents might be open. You want to make sure you have those closed before you go into an online screen capture section. Number 3, I am thrilled to see that people are paying attention to their camera angles, meaning that the camera is going straight in the face. Some people need a little help. I'm still seeing some strange camera angles, particularly from people who use laptops. The camera's down there and it shoots up and you get this weird chin angle. A little bit of a tip, if you see ceiling, it's not a good angle. Nobody wants to look at the bottom of your chin. It's not a good look for anybody. They're also paying attention to the lighting to make sure that lighting is in front of their faces. Some people need a little help. Still see some people who are backlit, and that's a problem because we can't see your face and it's really hard to emotionally engage with someone when we can't see faces. And number 4, I am really glad to see people paying attention to sound quality. I see that some people have invested in microphones so that we can hear more clearly. I see people pronouncing more clearly. I have also seen closed captioning in some environments, which I really like. I even like listening to some background noises like barking dogs or howling wolves. One thing that I don't like, though, is background chatter. That can make it really hard to listen to what's going on in an online training environment. So those are my 4 things that I both love and hate in what I've been seeing this week. What techniques have you been seeing this week that work for you in online environments? And what techniques do you think need some improvement?